Hey you guys, it's Charlie My Beauty. I'm here today with a quick beat. Just getting ready to take the kids out, go to the mall. Okay. Alright you guys, I'm going in with the Nivea Cream Moisturizer to moisturize my face. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Primer. It's a hydrating primer, very creamy. Has a nice finish. And then after that, we're going to set our brows. Okay, and then right here, we're going in with the Ruby Kiss pencil in the shade Dark Brown. This is a lip liner pencil. If you guys have been watching my videos, it's very creamy, and it's also the truest brown that I can find in an eyebrow or lip pencil. I've been coming across a lot of browns that are like a gray brown or a black brown. It's no true dark browns. It's hard to come by one. If you know of one, let me know. Leave it down in the comments below. All right. Okay, now we're gonna clean up our brows top and bottom. We're going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Caramel, the number 400. And then we're gonna brush that out to blend it in. I feel like I'm in a funk, y'all. I don't feel like doing my makeup. But at the same time, I want to look nice, so. Okay, so I'm going to conceal my eyelids with the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Fawn. We're going to let it sit for a minute, and then we're going to blend that out so that we can build a strong base for our eyeshadow colors. And today we're going to be going in with an orange and like a burgundy brown from 2 different palettes, just to give us that nice fall, autumn type look vibe, okay? All right, you guys. Okay, so I ended up going in with the orange in the Warriors 2 Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. I was thinking it was going to be a lighter orange based on the color. I should have did a swipe test. So I ended up going over this orange with the Morphe James Charles mini palette. It's like a brown orange. It's next to the browns. I went over the Warriors 2 orange with that orange out the Morphe James Charles palette. And then I used the Morphe James Charles palette to go in with the No Bean color. It's like a burgundy brown. Yeah, and it's just two color eyeshadow style. And we're going to blend out the edges to have a smooth finish. And then we're going to go on with our foundation and our concealer. It's something satisfying about just watching me blend out the colors in fast mode. It took a little bit longer. I had to speed up the video But just watching me go back and forth, that's the rhythm you want to take when you're blending your colors out and you're finally done with the eyeshadow look. Make sure you blend, otherwise it looks like you got a black eye. So blend, blend, blend. That's very important, you guys. Okay, now I'm going in with the Born This Way by Too Faced concealer in the shade Butterscotch. I recently tried the shade Cookie, and I think I'm going to stick with Butterscotch. Cookie was nice, but it was a little bit more white than yellow. So I'm going to stick with Butterscotch. Okay, next I'm going in with the concealer in the shade Rich Ebony. To put some definition back into my nose. And then we're going to go on with the foundation by NARS in the shade Macau. I like Marquise's, but Ulta Beauty has been out lately. And I try not to order online because I don't want to worry about my products being broken. So we're going to have to check out Sephora and the mall and see if I can get my NARS back in the shade Marquise's. Because this comes off a little, I don't want to say gray, but like clay, if that makes sense. All right, watch me blend it out, you guys, and then we're going to set our powders, use our setting spray or mist by Morphe, and get our finished look. All right. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and top off my highlighted areas, my nose and under my eye with the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. Just to brighten it up a little bit. Looks like I lost, some color with that blend. And then we're going to go on with the Morphe powder setting spray. Well, actually, I say setting powder in the shade Banana Rich. And then the setting spray or mist by Morphe. Okay, so this is where we're going in with the Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana Rich. When we get done setting our under eye, we're going to do the reverse contour with our lower cheeks. Okay. Do you know that I went into the Sephora store one day asking them, is there another way I can moisturize my skin underneath my makeup because my skin's so dry? I to work on hydrating. And the representative told me not to set my makeup. Do you know I tried not setting my makeup? And my makeup was all over the place. I sweat in my T-zone like I've never sweat before. It was just so oily. So please set your makeup. It's very important. And drink your water. Stay hydrated. I love this bronzer palette by Juvia's Palace. These colors are so beautiful. I could have went with, I believe the medium was the one before this one. But this is the dark palette. And I am so in love with this bronzer. I gotta be careful though, because I end up coming out of the house red one day because I use so much of the darker color in the dark palette. And I just believe I'm truly darker than what I am at the end of the day, and my makeup puts me in check, gives me that reality check, girl. That is not your color. But it's a beautiful bronzer, you guys. Check it out. It's the Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade dark. All right. I remember a time I did not like my nose, you guys, and I have fallen in love with my nose, especially now when I do my makeup and I see how women contour their nose, reshape their nose. I am so in love with my nose now. It's very important. Love yourself, ladies. Love I'm gonna have to go back and remake this look. Just looking at the eyeshadow is so beautiful. I can see fall, I can see autumn. The only thing I believe is missing is a little bit of shimmer right there in the middle. I'm gonna have to redo this look, you guys. Okay, so I'm going in with the Morphe setting spray, setting mist. And I'm going to blot it all out with my Real Techniques damp beauty blender, just to make sure everything is transitioning from one shade to the other and it's all melted in there real nice like. Okay, I was trying to do something basic, you know, just something fall light, go out to the mall, something quick, and I ended up with a little bit more than that. I guess you can't really be basic when you're going for a fall autumn look. It's like warmth, beautiful bronzes. All right, you guys. We're leaving. I'm done. I'm sorry. Yo, mama. No, I'm done. I'm sorry. I said I was gonna do my eyebrows. We're going right now. Come here. Look at my hair bucket and grab that deodorant.
Okay. Wait, my hair bucket?
Your hair bucket. I love this wig. This is my 28-inch 13x4 loose deep wig that I got from Wiggins, which now has a hole in the cap because my damn cat chewed a freaking hole in my neck. I guess it's my fault. I didn't put it back on the mannequin. So now I got a project. Redoing a whole new wig. I'm gonna get me a new closure for that soon. All right, you guys. And we're going in, melting out the top, and then we're going to wet the rest of the hair and comb through it with the comb brush so we get that smooth, fine, deep wave, loose wave finish.
Walk like this and it's really fast. It's really fun.
Okay, you guys, so this is the look. I thought it was gonna be a quick beat, but it wasn't. But yeah. I'm gonna say I'm gonna have this look up in 72 hours because I'm behind on 2 videos that I got now. Yeah, it's not even that. It's it just was supposed to be quick. That's my baby Mimi. Say hi, Mary.
Hi.
All right, we're going to the mall, get these kids out the house, and I'll see you guys
I want to play the dinosaur
in 48
game.
hours. All right, Charlie Marbidi.